tastefully modified C8 here at Unique, especially in classics. This one is a beauty. 2020 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT Supercharged Coupe, and we'll get into that in just a bit. Two-owner car, clean Carfax, actual mile car, no accidents indicated, 4,600 on the odometer at the moment. I believe it's 4606. Torch red, adrenaline red interior package. Take a look at the front fascia on this car. Again, just a little over 4,600 miles is all. And this car has the entire body protective coated with the light clear film. You'll be able to see a receipt for everything that was done as far as the exterior, protecting it, and it shows. It stands out in a crowd like you wouldn't believe. We're going to walk around it, take a little closer look. The still pictures, you can see those at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you to our website, and of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. You can see there's no flaws in the paint, dings, nicks, scratches. It's riding on the Trident wheels, 19-inch fronts, 20-inch rears. As you can also see, the red painted calipers. There's a copy of the window sticker in with the still pictures. You're going to be able to see exactly how this car was equipped from new. It does have the Z51 package. I mentioned the Trident wheels, Magna Ride control, carbon fiber interior trim, the front lift adjustable height with memory. Just naming off a few of these that you're going to see in the window sticker. The engine appearance package, the bright red painted calipers I mentioned. Also comes with a trickle charger, the cargo net in the rear, and much more. The biggest much more is that Supercharger. It's a Pro Charger, professionally installed. We will start this up. Check out that engine bay, take a little closer look at this car with it running, as well as the interior. Speaking of interior, let's take a little quick peek. You can see the two-tone seats with the adrenaline red. And again, no major nicks, dings, scratches. What you'd expect with a clean Carfax and that low miles two-owner car. Get a good look at the rear with that rear spoiler. And again, you can see the paint, absolutely beautiful. Borla exhaust. When we start it up, you're going to hear a little bark out of this one. Underside picks will be in with the still picks. Top in, top out will be with the still picks, the engine bay, the cargo area in the front. Again, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these newer vets or just vets in general, or maybe supercars, period, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done either online or right off our showroom floor, of course. You can make it to see us in person. All right, let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this interior. Door popped. So all your modern amenities that come standard on a C8. Check out the window sticker again in the still pictures. There's part of that carbon fiber package we talked about. Of course, the Bose system, power windows, power locks, seats, heads-up display, steering wheel controls. Can go on and on forever. We're not going to waste a lot of time with that. Again, check out the still pictures. Of course, this is going to have the 6.2 liter LT2, and in this case, the Pro Charged version that was done aftermarket, professionally installed. You can consult with a sales associate about any of that if you'd like to. All right, I told you it's going to have a little bark. Exact miles, 4606. No check engine lights, service engine soon lights, anything like that. All displays functioning as they should. Give you a little idea how it sounds under throttle. Come around to the back, you're going to be able to hear the exhaust and a little bit of that whistle. amazing. Let me go ahead and pause this a second. I want to get the engine compartment open. We do put a prop rod in there just due to the weight of the wing. So I'm going to get that set up. I want to at least be able to see that. We'll take a peek at it. And yep, you guessed it. Jason gets to take this for a drive at the end of the video. You want to see him take it down the road. See how it drives out? Stick around to the very end.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2020 Chevrolet Corvette. Now that makes it a C8 and that makes it a mid-engine Corvette. Do you hear that sound though? When you take a C8 and you supercharge it, you get an even more super car. This car is over the top awesome. It's an automatic. It's easier for anybody to drive. You can also paddle shift it. So it's the best of both worlds. Let's get her out on the road. If you can see my smile, it is a fun car to drive. Sounds amazing, feels amazing, and you know, it corners the best out of anything probably you're going to find in the US, flat out. Maybe even better than a Ferrari. This is my opinion. We got, of course, a stereo working. Sounds great with Bose sound system. We have a Targa top, removable top on this Corvette. The most form-fitting seat I think I've ever been in. What can I say? If you're getting any flickers from the dash, that's just our camera's frame rate. The car's display is awesome. We're getting all the details, including a heads-up display in the windshield. Brakes very smooth and very aggressively, which equates to excellent stopping power. Again, it's an automatic. You don't have to be a hardcore driver to drive this car. And I gently pushed the throttle, and when it shifted, I felt the back end grip. I felt it grip and try to pull, and it was an excellent feeling. What can I say? This car's beautiful inside and out. The quickest C8 I've driven yet, and that red is amazing. You're gonna catch eyes even if it wasn't a C8. Take a look at all the pictures of this beautiful Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.